In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your vesting schedule. Let's get started. First, sign into your account from your desktop browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation menu where all the primary sections are listed. From there, find and click on the Equity tab. This section contains all the details related to your company's shares, stock grants, and vesting information. After clicking Equity, you'll be taken to the Equity Overview page. Here, you can see a summary of your holdings along with important information about your vested and unvested shares. To check your full vesting schedule, look for the Vesting Details area or any section labeled Vesting Timeline, Grant Schedule, or Share Release Dates. Hover on that section to see the complete breakdown. You will now be able to view when your shares become available, how many shares vest on each date, and the remaining balance that is still unvested. This makes it easy to track your upcoming vesting milestones and understand your equity progress over time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.